Let's start with the temporal. Kapag ginawa yung temporal, dapat laging mauuna is yung left. 1, 2, 3, go. Isa ba? 1, 2, 3, go. And then next is the next natin after ng left is the right. And then huwag din kakalimutan na every striking point dapat magre-ready tayo. Go. After the temporal, we're going to the shoulder. Left shoulder to exact. And then huwag mo lang kalimutan yung ready stance. And then next is the right. After the shoulder, next naman is abdomen. Sa abdomen walang left and right, pero ganito yung atake mo. And then huwag din kakalimutan na every striking point, dapat naka-ready stance. And then next after the abdomen is the chest. Yung atake ng abdomen natin, same sa atake ng chest. Pag ganito din. Go. 1, 2, 3, go. And then next naman is yung right. After the chest, we're going to the eyes. Sa eyes, wala siyang pinagkaiba sa atake ng chest. Kundi ganun din. Ay, sorry. After the chest, we're going to the knee. Sa knee naman, kung sa ibang striking point, mauuna ang left. Dito naman sa knee, lagi mauuna yung right. 1, 2, 3, go. Next. And then after the knee, next naman is the eyes. Yun nga, katulad na sinabi ko, atake ng chest, katulad lang ng atake